Hey kids, how are you? I'm very excited for a new lesson. Are you guys excited? That's great. So today we are going to learn about pronoun him. So him is an object pronoun which is used in place of third person singular male. Now what is an object pronoun? An object pronoun is a pronoun which receives the action in the sentence. For example, take this box and give it to him. So, in this sentence, pronoun him is receiving the action. It is not performing the action. Therefore, it is an object pronoun. So, let's see some examples and make the concept of object pronoun him clear. So, Rudy, read the first example of pronoun him.
I asked him to stay quiet.
Correct. So why we have used the pronoun him in this sentence? Because we are talking about the third person singular masculine. And do you know? We always use pronoun him when the third person receives any action.
Now I understood.
So Rudy, our second example is I called him yesterday. So why we have used the pronoun him in this sentence?
Because we are talking about the third person.
Right, and the third person is masculine and is receiving the action. So Rudy, read the third example.
Give this box to him.
Now identify which is the pronoun.
Him.
Why?
Because he is receiving the action.
Right. Now tell me, we are talking about feminine or masculine?
Masculine.
Absolutely correct. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun him. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.